Me hearties. Today we be unboxing a water block by Corsair, which as ye be knowing is another name for a pirate who sails the seven seas. I can't keep that voice up, but anyway, let's tear this apart, get the plastic wrapping off. You know, maybe I should be doing the plastic wrapping first, but whatever. Let's get this going. There's our box contents, manual, warranty, water block. We have an AMD bracket, we have an Intel backplate, and that's probably some insulating stuff for the backplate, and the Intel bracket's attached, and we have an RGB cable. That's everything. Bye.